Hi there, and welcome to today's video. If you are new to the world of finance, you might have heard the terms investing and trading used interchangeably, but while they're related, they're actually very different approaches to the financial markets. In this video, we're going to break down the key differences between investing and trading so you can decide which one suits you best. Let's get started. First up, let's define these two terms. Investing is all about the long game. Investors buy assets like stocks or real estate with the goal of holding onto them for months, years, or even decades. The purpose? To build wealth over time, often through the power of compounding and income from dividends or interest. Investing is about patience and focusing on the big picture. It's for people who are willing to ride out market ups and downs, aiming for steady long term growth. Think of it as planting a tree and watching it grow over time. On the other hand, trading is much more active and short term. Traders buy and sell assets frequently, aiming to profit from short term price movements. This could mean holding an asset for days, hours, or even minutes. Trading is all about timing the market and taking advantage of volatility. It requires constant monitoring, quick decision making, and often a lot of emotional discipline. If investing is like planting a tree, trading is more like riding a wave. You're in and out much faster. Now let's compare these approaches head to head. Investing focuses on long term wealth building and often involves less risk if you're diversified and patient. Trading, while potentially offering higher returns in a shorter time, comes with significantly more risk because of the frequent buying and selling. Here's a quick summary. Investing, long term, steady growth, less frequent transactions, less risk, and income from dividends or interest. Trading, short term, fast paced, frequent transactions, higher risk, and profits depend on timing the market. So, which approach is right for you? It depends on your goals, time commitment, and risk tolerance. If you're looking to build wealth gradually and don't want to be glued to your screen, investing might be the way to go. But if you enjoy the thrill of the market and are willing to put in the time and effort, trading could be a good fit. That wraps up today's video on the difference between investing and trading. Which approach do you prefer, or are you considering a mix of both? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.